In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and format text with the text tool. We'll walk through creating a text box, setting its width, letting your lines wrap automatically, and making simple adjustments to font size and spacing so your text looks clean and professional. Even if you're brand new to this, you'll be able to follow along. Start by selecting the text tool. You'll usually find it in your toolbar, and the shortcut is often the letter T on your keyboard. With the tool active, click once where you want your text to appear to create a text box. You'll see a blinking cursor. Go ahead and type your content. If you're planning for multiple lines or paragraphs, creating a text box first is ideal because it gives you control over how the text behaves as it fills the space. Next, set the width of the text box by dragging its edges. Look for the handles along the left and right sides of the box, then click and drag to make the box wider or narrower. As you do, watch how the lines reflow. If you pull the box wider, you'll get fewer line breaks. If you make it narrower, the text will wrap more frequently. Use the side handles rather than corner handles when you want to change width without unintentionally scaling the text itself. One great thing here is that the text will automatically wrap inside the box, so you don't need to add manual line breaks. Let the wrap do the work for you. If your lines start to feel too cramped or too spread out, simply adjust the box width until the lines are comfortable to read. Aim for a width that keeps your lines balanced, not too long, not too short, so the eye can track easily from one line to the next. Now fine-tune the font size or spacing if needed. If the text feels too large for the space, decrease the font size a touch. If it looks lost, increase it for better hierarchy. For spacing, adjust line spacing to open up crowded lines or tighten overly airy paragraphs. If letters appear too tight or too loose, nudge the letter spacing until the words feel natural. Small, incremental changes often make the biggest difference. Before wrapping up, zoom in to check clarity and zoom out to see overall balance. Make sure nothing is clipped and that your box width, font size, and spacing work together. When it looks good up close and from a distance, you're done. That's it. Type with the text tool, set the width by dragging the box, let the text wrap automatically, and polish with size and spacing. Save your work and you're ready to go.